Have you ever looked at something happening right in front of you? Maybe it's a loved one, a child, or even on vacation, and the scene in front of you is so beautiful that you think, I have to take a photograph of this. So you pull your phone out to take the picture, only to look at it afterwards and think, this doesn't really do it justice. Or perhaps maybe you've seen someone else's photographs and thought, I really wish I could have photographs like that. Maybe you have a desire to take photographs of the everyday, but you're just not sure where to start. As a born documenter and retired wedding and portrait photographer, I have a passion for creating beautiful photographs of everyday life, of my family, of my husband, of our children, of the adventures we have together, and even the mundane moments we share. There are beautiful things, both really big and extremely small, happening all around us every day, and when we take the time to photograph them, it helps to tell the story. It helps us to leave something tangible of our own legacy for the generations that will come after us, and that, my friend, is a priceless thing. Join me in the first installment of the Documenting the Everyday series, the iPhone edition. Using the technology we carry with us daily, I am going to show you how to photograph your everyday life and how to do it beautifully. From what your iPhone camera can really do, to lighting, composition, and angles. We will discuss moments to look for, tips I used in my professional career to get really wonderful portraits, how to get natural expressions from your children, as well as my proven tips and tricks to being in front of the camera and loving the outcome, because you, my friend, need to be present in your story. Join me in this first edition, a completely self-paced online educational course where we will dive into everything you need to know on how to take beautiful pictures with your iPhone. I know you will be so happy that you invested into learning how to tell your story, because after all, it's a beautiful one to tell. I'll see you soon.